Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so market did explode this week, and so we can see that, Circle is having a very nice ride. So the scenario here is that we did the 1-2 in yellow, and this could be all the third wave still in yellow. And within this yellow third wave, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and now I believe we did reach the ideal target for this fifth wave. So once again, how did I manage to calculate that? Well, I just took the wave 1 and 3 to the wave 4 here, and so we had some Fibonacci extensions, and the ideal extension is 0.618 108 78. So we are there. Now if I zoom out a little bit more, let me go on the 4 hours. Oh my god, I was on 15 minutes. Okay, so the bigger picture here, let me double check. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm getting... Okay, so what is this? This was... It's a good question. What was that one? Let me see here. Fib extension. So I calculated the wave A to the wave B. Is it? Let me put the trend line so it's easier. So I calculated if this was a A wave and this was the end of the B wave, what would be the C wave? So this is the yellow target for the C wave. Now, ideally $236. Yeah, for sure, when we did that, we were kind of low. So now we were kind of skyrocketing a little bit. Very important because, yeah, we did manage to break out from this very important downtrend. And now, you know, this is, it's a, cannot say it's a negligible reaction. Now we need to be careful though. Okay, so I want to put these little guys in, I think in red. And the reason is, now we really need this fourth and fifth wave to materialize and happen. If we don't, let me remove this trend line here. Because if we didn't, what could it be? This is the A, B, and a C. But then if we have a lower C and not a skyrocketing one, then we're just going down again and continue. So this will be just a continuation. Yeah, for sure. Ideally, we would go way higher, but we shall see. But this could also be just rejected. If we get rejected, you know, some people are going to say, oh my god, so this is going down. Well, it's too early to know, because since we have allegedly 3 waves up now in yellow, I'm expecting a pullback. So this pullback, okay, let me remove, I think this one, I can remove it now. And yeah, so the pullback now, let me double check if I did it this morning, didn't change. So the pullback should go and find some support within this area here. We do also have the MA 55 now that it's catching up, surely, but one day will. And yeah, so if price start to reverse and going down, ideally we wanted to have, ideally, but we didn't have that much a chance to have a very nice structure beside this 5-way up. But even then, you know, we have a very huge gap here, right? So now if we can have really a nice A, B, C, ideally even a 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C, and really react to ideally, once again, the 0.382, that, you know, by doing that, maybe, yeah, the MA 55 is going to be near that zone. So we're going to have like a nice important block zone where price can find support. And after that, we need to be patient and watch if circle is able to give us a fifth wave up. Now, I cannot calculate the fifth wave target because we didn't even start the fourth wave. So, but that's going to be interesting. Yeah, so for the moment, it's looking great, honestly. For sure, the RSIs are overbought. Everybody's overbought. Does it mean you need to go and reverse now? Not at all. Look at this on the 1 hour chart, right? We are being overbought for a while. So once again, the overbought, it just tells you where is the momentum. Momentum is on the bullish, on the bulls, right? Now, who's going to go and buy this area here? I mean, not me anyway. I would wait for the eventual pullback if it comes. If it doesn't, well, too bad, you know. I'm not chasing. I learned to not chase. And also, am I going to be inclined to buy here? I'm going to double check and analyze the situation when it comes. Because yes, I did purchase some lower, and I'm having a nice profits. You know, I do have regrets that I didn't made more rotation, but you know, this is my profile. I'm very conservatory. So, and yeah, no, for sure, this is yes, so much potential. I mean, this is it's when the stable coin, then when the structural bear is going to pass, I believe this is going to really skyrocket. So ideally, honestly, if I need to put it, I would say we will need circle to do a fourth and a fifth wave. Potentially in just 3 waves that I cannot really, that I could say, you know what, this was just an A, a B, and a C, and it would work, right? And this would be just the A, and this was the B and a C, and this would be just, you know, who knows, maybe if we can dream, this could be just a wave 1, and we would have a wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and that would be kind of a scenario we could do. We shall see. Can we have even a bigger, I mean, this is the A, this is the B, and then all this is just the A. We're going to have the B and the C, and this is how, if the structural law bill pass, well, this could be something that really could fuel up circle. For the moment, this is speculation. We're going to see when we get there. So it did reach the target for a fifth wave. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. Actually, let me update. No, didn't want to do that. Let me update the charts here. I can add some levels up. So if we push higher, then we shall see. What else can I say? We can see that when it starts to skyrocket, it really pump a lot. Retracement, pump, but not as much. And went on the side and pump, but not as much as the previous one. So, you know, the push to the upside, it's less strong every time. And it looks like this was the latest. So this is kind of indicating that, you know, the bulls are getting depleted. They needed a rest. They need a rest. And I do believe a pullback is incoming. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.